Good afternoon and welcome back to Huffler Garage. This is another video of our Huffler Marine series. So today I'm going to be putting on my boat numbers. So we've already put the boat numbers on the white dinghy. We'll give you a little walk around of that and how we did it. But the plan for today is to put mine on. I bought this Gear Aid repair adhesive. So I'm going to treat putting these boat numbers on like I'm going to do a patch on my boat for a tear. They don't come off once you do a patch, so hopefully this does the same thing and we're able to do that. So we have all of our supplies, our glue, we have our sandpaper, our tape so that we can mock it up and be able to sand where the plates actually go on, and we have acetone to clean between the sanding process, and we should be good to be able to show you everything we're about to do. So here on the white dinghy, the number plates that we put on this, we did it kind of a fast pace. We used PVC stitch on this number plate on the port side, and this was a 20 milliliter tube and it only did one side, so we ran out. And then on the starboard side, we ended up using flex glue. To be quite honest, we also did it inflated. And with the PVC stitch, it looks a little better and it definitely seems to be holding, as well as the flex glue does as well. But the PVC stitch definitely looks better, and we'll show you that side as well. I'm gonna put on some gloves. Man, some thick gloves. And then we're going to start by cleaning our area with some acetone. Don't need too much of that. I might have used a different towel because I'm getting some rub off. Well, that's a dilemma. So when I first got this boat, I had stickers here, like mailbox lettering, just so I could ride it across the lake. And now it has a little goo, and paper towels are not cutting it. So I'm gonna see if I can get this residue off of here. This adds to the... Ah, looky there. Perfect. They're actually quite dirty as well. So I guess now we're gonna have to set up the number and where we want it placed to match the other side. I think we're gonna stick with that. If you'll just hold it right there, throw on some tape. Okay. So we went ahead and did our measurements for the other side and got it taped off. That way it can match up to the other side. And now we're going to start cleaning and start sanding and doing our glue. Start out with a little sandpaper. Once we have that sanded, we're also going to sand a little bit on our number plate here as well. And once all that's sanded, we're going to do a little wipe of acetone again. All right, so once we have that set up, we'll pull out our glue. All right. We got our Aqua Seal adhesive. And the cap did not come with a little punch. I'm just going to make a little hole here. Alright. So I'm going to apply my adhesive. Now I'm going to apply some to the number plate as well. Now, once I've applied my adhesive, I'm just going to let it sit kind of for a bit. Might even try to spread that around a little bit. Just see if I can make sure there's no bubbles or goops. All right. Give it just a little bit of time to tack. So once we've given it a little time to tack, now it's time to place our number plate on here. Okay. A little tack. Wonder if this will work. Oh yeah. I'm not using the flex glue, I'm just using the top to push it down. Just merely to make sure there's no air bubbles underneath there. And there she is set on. And give us just a little bit of time, and then we're going to pull the tape to make sure that the tape doesn't stick underneath the glue, and give us any discoloration. And that should be basically how it's done. All right. Voila. And there you have it. She has glued on. We're going to let that set up. We'll probably let it set up for a day or two, probably put it back into the garage and then come back out. So this is our setup for the red dinghy. I think it looks pretty good. There's no other videos out there on how to actually glue these on. I did kind of watch some videos on how to do patch repairs, and that's kind of where I got this set up. So I do believe this looks pretty good. Maybe even just a hair better than the white dinghy. So please join us for our next video when we come back out, and we'll show you how this holds up and how it looks. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.